seconds. I want to like to stay with my mom, like my grandfather, not screaming and yelling like the passengers in his car. Like the has a runtime of 49.054 seconds. That's an improvement of 0.7.
Almost in the 48, man. Good job.
I can't do it.
Huh?
I can't do it at 48, 38. That's my optimal here.
You got your optimal?
Yeah, optimal. I can do 48. And I know what? When I downshift,
Yeah.
I didn't blip the throttle high enough, so it jerked a little bit.
Okay.
It pushed me a little bit wider than usual. I should be a bit tighter in that corner. If I blip properly a little bit earlier, I should be in. It's alright.
Oh, that's crazy, man.
Hold on.
It's crazy you can remember all that.
Oh yeah. Alright, just gonna... Yo!